what are the rates that you could charge before, and what are the rates you are able to charge because you have this, computer vision background from OpenCV University? Can you tell us a little bit about the market?
Yes, definitely. I mean, before learning computer vision, I was already, I would say, medium to advanced level of Python of Python development.
Yeah.
So I would say that it helped me considerably or significantly because right now the market is a little bit saturated for developers on general programming languages, and more with the since the launching of ChatGPT, where everyone is able to give a functional code just by prompting something on ChatGPT, right? So what I actually saw, because I'm freelancing on a platform called Upwork, and before the actual boom of ChatGPT, I saw that usually the programming jobs were listed as with rates of probably $20 an hour, probably 25 maybe. But right now, because it is so generalized or so normalized that people can build code, functional code with ChatGPT, those rates have been decreased considerably. I would say right now the average of the jobs listed for general programming are between $10 to $15.
Oh wow! So there has been a decrease, 25 to 50% decrease.
Yes, but because I have been acquiring skills, specific skills for computer vision development, I would say that I've somewhat been protected from that devaluation. Right. Because most of the things you have to build in computer vision projects are not things that are made on a single code snippet. Right. It's something that it's usually more complex, involves implementing different kind of models and different modules of in your code, and you have to be able to make them work efficiently or properly. Right, and that's something that ChatGPT is not able to do yet. So that's why I was able to increase my rates from, like, I would say, like double or triple my rates from the time that I started working on Upwork and the time, or right now, the moment that I'm ready.
Wow, that is amazing. That is really amazing. And that would, I mean, if in Mexico, so that would translate to anywhere between 70K, because the way to calculate, let's say you're making $30 an hour. If you translate to annual, that is 60K, right, per year. Yes. You multiply it by 2,000 roughly. That gives you the annual rate, right? So, that's quite substantial, right? In jump for just a few months of work, right? If you think about it, right? That's a huge jump for a few months of work.
Yes, definitely. And I think something that I was forgetting, that one milestone, I would say, that actually gave me the final confidence to start freelancing was the webinar you gave on how to get a 100K job. I think that's a moment when I realized, that's actually possible to from now to, I don't know, 4 to 5 months, build a strong portfolio, get the skills that you need in order to get a highly valued job. So,
Right. And that's possible because the whole of AI is not, most of the algorithm, most of the things that have been developed is in the last 20 years. So it's not a lot that you need to learn. You need to learn things very comprehensively. You need to have a solid grasp of things. Otherwise, you won't be able to build things. But the amount of things that you need to learn, it's a few months, right? We are not talking about 4 years of engineering, right? You don't need to spend that much time, but you need to spend, anywhere between 4 to 7 months, 8 months, right? To have expertise in that.